Hi friends, I am Snam Singh here. This is video number 14 on the subject God, Energy, Science and Spirituality. Many things I already covered. Now in this video I have given some more clarification about the functioning of the earth and beyond that. And that will also clarify how the God energy controls or creates the universe and can destroy it also within a moment. So that is invisible to us, but its effects are also seen, and how the electrons, protons, neutrons, photons are produced, that is also a part of it only. So in this video, let us understand first what is God energy and how it is driving or functioning on the earth or earth unit. What is the difference between the earth unit? Earth is a part of the earth unit only, because this is completely earth unit which is revolving and rotating, and it goes beyond a little bit of this thing, satellites, where the satellites are moving, because satellites are also part of the earth unit. Moon is not a part of the earth unit. So there are two energies working on the earth unit. One is radial energy. So radial energy, this is a outside circle is a earth unit, inside circle is a earth. So this radial energy originates from the outer periphery and goes towards the center of the earth. This energy more powerful than the other energy. And what is the other energy? Other energy is what we call as a magnetic energy, north, that is originates from the north pole, goes to the south pole in a spherical form, as you see in the magnets also. So this energy produces electrons, while the radial energy produces protons and neutrons, and it is a continuous process. It is not a one-time affair, it is coming continuously. So that's why in the magnets we find this energy coming continuously, and electricity is also a part of this thing, and we will discuss further about those things. When these two energies, that is radial energy and north-south NS energy, they work on each other, they fall on each other, then the combined effect is that because radial energy being much more powerful than the NS energy, so NS energy, when is coming from the north side, it is in the same direction of the radial energy, but when it is ending at south pole, so radial energy and this energy, NS energy, are in the opposite direction. As a result, here north side it is both are positive, here one is negative. So being a positive here, it is in the high side, so the axis of the earth unit gets inclined at around 23 degrees. That's why the earth is inclined. This is due to this factor only. This is not only the inside earth which is inclined, but the whole earth unit, which is up to satellites or beyond, little bit beyond that. That is satellites are about 35,000 to 45,000 kilometers above the earth's surface, and the earth radius varies from around 13,000 kilometers to 24,000 kilometers. So you can add this total diameter is around 1 lakh kilometer diameter of the earth unit. So when these two energies get inclined, when fall on each other, so this axis gets inclined. Due to the inclination, the radial energy is coming on this axis falling on the ns energy, it gets revolve and rotate at the simultaneously. Just like that, if you put a cylindrical thing on a slope, that will revolve and rotate at the same time. So simultaneously this is happening. So that's why this earth unit along with the earth is rotating. But having more clarification on this thing, earth unit, I have taken a little bit more clarifications I want to give here. Because this is a earth, this is a periphery of earth unit. So these satellites are somewhere here, aeroplanes are inside this thing, nearer to the earth. So satellites are also part of the earth unit. So because as the field is rotating just like the electric motor rotates, but their two energies are working, they are different energies in the different directions. That's why that is fixed at one point. But here one energy is more powerful radial energy than the other energy, and this is revolving and rotating in the orbit. This orbit of the earth unit, this goes around the sun. This is a vacuum tube only, and earth unit is revolving in this thing at an angle of around 23 degree from the vertical axis. So this is how the earth is inclined, and radial energy is producing neutrons and protons, while the ns energy produces electrons. When these two energy at a particular point, particular position comes, then atom is formed, and this atom will form the mass. So these energies at a particular position only they make the atom, and that will form mass. So mass is formed from these energies only, and this is not necessary at every position it will form. These energies release electrons, protons at a particular position also. Everything is controlled. It means everything is controlled. Even production of one electron and proton is also controlled by the God. So these energies, when they are moving, revolving and rotating, and each point also behaves like that. Each point also behaves like that. Just like this is radial energy is coming from this thing. If you take a cross section of that, that will be a point that is nothing but proton. If you take a ns energy here, ns energy here, so this is moving. These energies are moving just like in the magnet. This field comes. This is ns energy. So this is nothing but magnetic energy, and when the energy falls on this is spherical. This thing energy coming from this direction will start revolving due to that inclination effect, because the complete earth unit is revolving. Earth is revolving. This is even electrons, protons are revolving due to this factor only. So whole earth unit, and in which each electron, proton is also revolving on the same direction, same fashion. So this is how the whole energy functions. So this energy, when these two energies, that is proton and neutron, and this will produce electrons. So it will make an atom like that. So the interior of this thing is a small point. That is proton, indicates proton and neutron, and around that in the orbits, because this is ns energy which is now rotating due to this radial energy. As earth is rotating at an angle, similarly this is also rotating at an angle, and earth unit